Displays enable you to showcase one or more feed sources using styles such as lists, grids, and excerpts and thumbnails. Let's see how it's done. To create a display, log into the WordPress admin and go to the Displays page. Then click on Create a new display. Change the display's name to one that best describes its purpose. Click the Save button to save your changes. In the Settings section under Sources, type and select your desired sources. For folders, click the toggle titled Want to display a folder and pick the one you need. Next, select a layout. You can choose between list, grid or excerpt and thumbnail. Go to the Customization tab. Modify options like appearance, image settings, title length, author info and more based on your layout. For instance, you can adjust the number of items and columns as well as disable borders. You can even reorder sections in your display. In the Excerpt tab, you can set the maximum length for your item's excerpts. Enable or disable items such as author name and publish date. Remember, you can see how your display looks across different devices using the icons at the top of the Preview field. Finally, let's review the Filtering tab. Here, you can set up automated filters, just as you've done with feed sources, to help you curate the content you include in each display. For instance, I've chosen to hide any items with the keyword radios in the title. When you're done, you can go on and save the display. Then click on Embed to select how to show the display. You can embed displays manually using either a shortcode or a block. Alternatively, Aggregator can set up a new page or post for the display and embed it there automatically. Every method leads to stunning displays on your site. If you select this option, a page will open up with the display already embedded. And there you have it, your feed items arranged in a perfect grid on your website.